Hello again. In this video, I'll show you how to find percentages of amount, every single percentage. We will do two things, tricks, and we will do the method of multiplication. You can use the multiplication method when you can't use the tricks. So I'll first show you how to find these, for example. 0% is always 0, 100% is always 100 or all of it. The first part is easy, just continue watching. There are a lot of useful information here. Now 0% of 18 is 0, 0% of 99 is 0, 0% of 1 is 0. What's really important is you must know you can switch these numbers. So 0% of 18 is similar to 18% of 0, which is 0. This information will help you a lot in finding percentage. I'll show you how. Now, if the question is saying 100% of 18, it's just all of 18, so it's 18. It's similar to 18% of 100, which is also 18. Now, 50% is a half. We just divide by 2. So what's 50% of 18? We divide 18 by 2. That's 9. It's similar to 18% of 50. So many students, when they see 18% of 50, they think this is a tricky question. But if you know, you can switch. So it's 50% of 18. 50% is a half, so it's 9. Do you think you understand? Can you try this? Comment your answer. Let's see if you got this correct. 10% is dividing by 10, just like that. So if you got 10% of 18, just do 18 divided by 100 by 10. It's 1.8. Now, 25% is a quarter. We divide by 4. If dividing by 4 is not easy, divide by 2 and divide by 2 again. So for example, what's 25% of 18? We divide 18 by 4. I don't know how to divide 18 by 4. So I'll divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And I will then divide 9 by 2, which is a half of 9, which is 4.5. You can still switch. So it's similar to 18% of 25 if you need to use this. And that's it. Can you try 24% of 25? Now, let's go to the, oh yeah, please try these 3 questions as well. Oh God, I gave you a lot of practice. Yeah, practice makes better. Now, 75% is 3/4. So we just find 1/4 by dividing by 4 and then multiply by 3. So if the question is saying what's 75% of 40, just do these 2 steps. Divide by 4, multiply by 3. So what's 40 divided by 4? It's 10. What's 10 times 3? It's 30. Yes. Now, it's similar to 40% of 75. So if the question is saying 40% of 75, some people find that's difficult. So if you know you can switch, it will help you. Now, 75% of 16 is yours. Please try it. And let's see. Now, let's go to 1%. 1% is dividing by 100. So if you got 1% of 234, just divide 234 by 100. Dividing by 100 means you go back 2 steps and you add a decimal. So you just jump 1, 2, and you put some decimal here. It gives you 2.34. It's equals to 234% of 1, which is the same thing. Now, these ones are very tricky for many people. Now, it will just be a piece of cake. What's 33 and 1/3%? This is a third. We just divide by 3. So what's 33 and 1/3% of 18? It's just 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now, let's do the last one here. 66 and 2/3%. It's 2/3. We divide by 3, multiply by 2. So if you got 66 and 2/3% of 18, Divide 18 by 3, which is 6. We just did that. And multiply it by 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Now, try these 4 questions, please. If you find any difficult, just write a question in the comments. I'll respond to that. Now, we finished with the first part. Let's look at this. If the question is saying find 5% of 300. In the previous part, we just learned what's 5% of 100. 5% of 100 is all of it, so it's just 5. So 5% of another 100 is another 5. 5% of the third 100 is another 5. So it's 5 3 times, so it's 15. You get me? If 5% of 100 is 5, 5% of the second 100 is 5, 5% of the third 100 is 5, so it's 15. So 5% of 300 is 15. Now what's 6% of 250? We'll do 6% of the first 100, it's 6. 6% of the second 100, because it's 200, it's also 6. So 6% of 50 is half of 6, so it's 3. And then we add them. Let's see it. So 6% of 100 is 6. 6% of 100 is 6. 50. 6% of 50 is 3. So it's 6 plus 6 plus 3. So it's 15. Now let's try these together. What's 7% of 300? It's 7, 7, 7, 3 times. So it's 21. What's 12% of 500? It's 12 5 times. So it's 12 times 5. So it's 60. The rest, I'll do this one. 14% of 250. So it's 14% of 200 plus 14% of 50. So what's 14% of 200? It's 14 plus 14, so it's 28. And what's 14% of 50? It's half of 14, so it's 7. So it's just 28 plus 7, which I think is 35. That's it for this part. Now, the rest are yours. Please give it a try. If anything is difficult, please ask in the comments section. Now, let's see. What if we can't? This is a weird problem. A ship has 300 passengers, 13% are children. How many children are on board? It's just 13% of 300. So it's 13, 13, 13, 3 times. So it's 39 children. Now, what if we can't use any of the tricks we just learned? Like this question here. What's 6% of 53? If we can't use any trick, we'll just use the multiplication method. So we will first do multiply and then divide by 100. So we multiply the numbers 53 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18, so we write 8 down here and 1 up there. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31. So you finished multiplying. Now divide by 100. What's 318 divided by 100? Dividing by 100 is going back 2 steps and put a decimal. So it's just 3.18. Now what's 4% of 67? 67. Now multiply. 4 times 7 is 28. Write the 2 up. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. This number here should be a 2, not 1. Because it's 28. And then with the decimal after 2 steps, it's 2.68. Now what if it was very big numbers, like 16% of 523? Yes, we don't panic. We first multiply. It's just 16 times 523 or 523 times 16. It's the same thing. Multiply these it gives you this number, 8368. Then do the second step, which is dividing by 100. Dividing by 100 is just going back 2 steps. So put this decimal after 2 numbers from the right side. So it's going to be 83.68. This is your question to try. Find 523% of 16 and write your answer in the comment. Let's see how do you find it. And that's all for this nice video for percentages. Now you should know how to find every single percentages of amount. If there is any question, please write in the comments. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for following. Bye.